Hey guys, welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. Said we're going to study Insert Tab. So we go to Insert Tab, and here we have cover page. If you created some chapters or books, you may have some cover pages in. So there are some prepared cover pages from Microsoft Office Word. You may have a look at them and use them as a cover page. So you can change the title, you can change everything. It is changeable, and you may change the picture too. So the next option is about more cover page from office.com. You may go to this site online and get new and brand cover pages from here. So when I click remove current cover page, it will remove my current cover page. So the next option is save selection to cover page. As an example, we have Afghanistan. Yeah, I wrote Afghanistan in here, so it is good to have Afghanistan and maybe like provinces of Afghanistan, and you may put some date and these stuff. We'll go here, and we're going to select here. We'll go to the cover page, and the last option, save selection to cover page gallery. When I save, I have to fill this blank spaces. As an example, the name should be AFG. Yeah, this cover page. Maybe you describe like this is a cover page of AFG and it only belongs to. We will click save. When we go on the cover page, in the when we scroll down in the last part, there is a new cover page which is saved by the name of AFG, and when we hover in it, it will give some information, a description about this. So this is the cover page. The next one is blank page. So it insert blank pages. Like you can add a lot of blank pages. The next one is page break. So what is a page break does? As an example, let's go make a blank page, and in here we will write brand. See, there's a bunch of information. I want my information from here. From here should be in another page. I will click here. I will go to this option and press it. As you can see, from that area it goes down to another page, to another blank page. So this is what a page break does. The next option is table. You can insert table in here. You can insert how much table do you want, and like this amount of table. You can write in here. You can do anything. You can insert from here by pressing this plus button. You can move it from here. This is how a table looks like. There is another option by the name of insert table. When you click insert table, it asks you about how many columns and how many rows do you want. So I want, as an example, I want 5 columns and 2 rows. Should be fixed column width and everything. When I click here, it will add 5 columns and 2 rows. See? This is how we can add table in here. You can also draw tables like this. As an example, I want to draw a new table in here. The next option is about converting text to table. If you have some text, convert them to table. You may have a look at these things. How many rows and columns do you want? And this is how it changes. The next option is about an Excel spreadsheet. You can do calculus stuff, like you may do some these stuff, plus and everything. So this is how it looks. The next option is quick table. There are some prepared tables you can add from here. When I click here, it will be added, and I can change the thing. So guys, this was another lesson from Insert Tab. I wish you like it and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe our page. In the next episode, we're going to study all the new stuff from table. As an example, there are some tabs from table that we need to study, like here, the layouts, the table design, and everything. So don't forget to follow us.